Hey everyone, welcome to Tigner Adventures. We are up Payson Canyon looking at the colors. You can see here that if we pan around the mountainside here, you can see all these really pretty colors. It is the time for the leaves to be changing. And that's what's fun about this area. There's lots of color here.
And it's time for us to head south.
Yeah, because you can see some snow up on those upper peaks. And that means it's time to head south for sure. This is pretty cool. They have this bike fix-it area. Yeah. So they have all these different tools. You can put your bike up here and get to it a little easier. Pretty cool. And it's all about this trailhead.
So many years, too many tears on your pillow, on your pillow. Out of the darkness of sound.
So we left the canyon, those pretty trees and colors, that was pretty cool, but we decided that we needed to move down to the country, get back out of the city. So we are back at this little hot springs that we like to stop at. It's Meadow Hot Springs.
Yeah, that's cool.
Remember this scene from a few years ago? This is Ninette floating in this hot springs that we're visiting now. And this is what it looks like right now. It's really pretty low.
Wow, I can't.
But look how clear it is.
I don't think we've ever seen under that ledge.
Yeah, look at that.
That's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
This looks like shag carpet. So cool. Can you see under? Come straight down. See if you can see. Wee, I'm petting it. It is a little slippery, but it's kind of cool.
We have scuba dived here before, so we know it's about 30 feet deep, and it's kind of like an hourglass. So you gotta be careful.
It's dangerous for other divers.
Yeah, you don't want to bump your head and can't get out kind of thing, but it's a lot of fun.
One of our favorite spots.
If you look up if you look up at the top here, you can see we have done a review on this before, and we had a lot of fun out here, and it's a good place to camp and just hang out and get in this nice. It's not really hot, but you know it's
Sometimes
good.
it's hotter than.
Yeah, it just kind of depends on what's going on and everything, and you can see right now that it's actually pretty low because we've seen it as high as the water almost flowing over the banks. So anyway, this has been fun. We spent the night, and we're going to now head down to St. George as we work our way back to Yuma. So anyway, with that said, we're going to just close out the video. So thanks for coming along with us. We hope to see you, meet you somewhere along the road if we can. Just reach out to us, send an email out to us, whatever, and we'll see if we can't meet up with you. But otherwise, we'll just plan on seeing you on our next video. So take care.
Bye.